Steps of solution. What are the steps of solution we have to follow? Number one, simplify given quadratic equation. Okay, when you are using discriminant. So first of all, you will simplify your given quadratic equation. Step number two, x square terms will be written together. X terms will be written together, and at last constant terms will be written together. Okay, step number 3, whatever is written with x square will be denoted by small a. Okay, next, whatever is written with x will be denoted by b, right? And all constants which are without variable x, all constants will be denoted by c. Okay, value of a, b and c will be plotted in b square minus 4ac, will be plotted in b square minus 4ac, which is your discriminant, and will be solved to find nature of root, and if discriminant is given, if they would have already told us that what is the discriminant coming, so we will use it, then value of unknown in b square minus 4ac will be found. These are the steps which we are going to follow when we are going to talk about using discriminant. These are the steps which we are going to use to solve our question. Okay, so next question which I am going to do over here, x square minus 2x minus 5 equals to 0. This is my question, and they are telling us again that I have to use discriminant to find the nature of the root. Now, it is directly in the quadratic form. So my a will be 1, my b will be minus 2, and my c will be minus 5. Simplifying it, they have told us to use discriminant. So b square minus 4ac, that is my discriminant. Putting my value, b square means minus 2 square, that will become 4 minus 4, a is 1, c is minus 5. Simplifying it, 4 minus minus plus 4 5 20, which means that is 24, which is greater than 0. It means I will have real roots. Okay, and what kind of real roots? I will have real roots because it is greater than 0. And as it is greater than 0, I will say it will be real distinct roots. Two different types of roots will be there. Okay, because it is greater than 0, then they are saying real distinct root. If it will be equals to 0, then I would say real equal roots. The word roots I will use, but it will be equal one. So we are having this one minus 2x minus 5 equals to 0. Okay, I've already found that the discriminant is coming greater than 0 for this thing. So it means that now I can find the root of this given equation, because first they have told us to find the discriminant, use the discriminant to determine nature. Okay, and after finding nature, if the roots are real, if discriminant is coming greater than 0, if roots are real, then they are saying find roots. Roots, basically we are asking for answer. Okay, so x square minus 2x minus 5 equals to 0. I have to simplify it to get the value of x. I can't do middle term breaking. So a equals to 1, b equals to minus 2, c equals to minus 5. Quadratic formula, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4 ac upon 2a. So this will become 2 plus minus 2 square will be 4. 4 5s are 20 upon 2. Okay, simplifying it further. So x equals to 2 plus minus 24 over 2. Right? So after that, x equals to 2 plus minus root of this one will be 4.89 over 2. Okay. Now in this one, either x is 2 plus 4.89 over 2, or x is 2 minus 4.89 over 2. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, I will be simplifying it. So this will become x equals to 6.89 over 2, or x equals to minus 2.89 over 2. By simplification, I have reached this point. So I'm going to simplify this one. The result will be coming 3.449. When I have simplified this one, 6.89 divided by 2, my result is coming 3.449. And simplify this one, the result is going to be minus 1.449. Okay, this is your answer.